Welcome to the Inspire range. The timing ball is a great way to measure G by free fall. It can also be used for time of flight investigations. The timing ball is switched on by pressing the wake up button. The blue LED flashes. Communication with Timing Pro software is established by clicking on Connect. The blue LED becomes steady. Communication via Bluetooth means that data can be captured on PCs, tablets and smartphones using the appropriate Timing Pro app. The ball is armed for an experiment by pressing the wake up button again. A green LED shows the ball is ready to record an event. A time is recorded. The pointer accessory makes it easy to drop the ball by a repeated measured height. G is calculated for each drop and a bar graph is built up. A result in error can be deleted. In the advanced section, the statistical function shows the spread of results and the mean value of G. In the time of flight experiment, the ball can be thrown vertically and caught, or thrown at an angle and caught. It is important to throw and catch at the same level. From the times of flight, the software calculates the maximum height and plots a point for each throw on the graph. The timing ball gives long battery life between charges and switches itself off after 90 seconds of inactivity. A second version of the timing ball communicates with Timing Pro on PCs and smart devices. It also has a time display for immediate readout. The timing ball is one member of the Inspire family of products.